A tribute to our friend late Edwin Cutting. My little children, there lived a man who became my friend in the far land of the confluence of the Ganges, Jamna, and the mythical Saraswati. The land called Allahabad, now known as Prayagraj, where on the banks of Jamna stood my alma mater, the prestigious Agricultural Institute, now a university known as SUATS. Locals called it Aglikanjan and Jamna Par. There lived this man, Edwin Cutting. Cutting he was, but not a cutthroat. He ran the canteen there for 55 long years, and it is still run by his progenies. Panditji in the kitchen and Kallu at the counter were his left and right arms. The bun he served, smeared with butter from our own dairy and sweetened with guava jelly made from Allahabad Safeda, were an irresistible item in the menu. Its taste still lingers in my mouth. He rode majestically on a reconditioned bullet motorcycle auctioned from the army. He remembered everybody's name and dealt with everyone with an amiable nature. He never quarreled nor got angry, always bore a sweet smile. After having spent 11 years in the campus as a student and as a lecturer, I left the campus in 79 and revisited first in 95 as an examiner. He surprised me by calling out my name after seeing me for the first time in 16 years. Again we met 3 more times in the campus. The last time I met him was at the Pua meet. There we shared all the good memories. To my surprise, I learned that he was much younger than I thought he was. He was just 1 year older to me. He was one of a kind in a unique campus. Where else in the world you would find a canteen run by a single person for so long? Where else you would find a canteen contractor attending the annual alumni get-togethers? Where else you would find a canteen contractor being loved and adored by every generation of students? Now he has been called back by the master. In our eyes it may be too early, but the master knows the best. We will not see him again here and we will miss him, but he will continue to live in our hearts as long as we live. God bless your soul, my friend. God protect your family, and God bless us all. Amen.
An inviting for lighting the lamp, that is a person whom all of us know, and that is Cutting. Who has come all the way from